The 2015 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, backup camera, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.